G'day Aussies, you know what they say, smoke alarms are the unsung heroes of our homes. They're always on duty, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep us safe. But here's the thing, even the most heroic smoke alarms can lose their effectiveness over time. That's why it's important to replace them every 10 years. And let's be honest, even if you're a DIY enthusiast, it can be tricky to tell when your smoke alarm has hit its expiry date. But here's a little telltale sign. Just look for any yellowing on the plastic casing. If it's yellow, definitely time for a new one. So if you notice any yellowing on your smoke alarms, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll check them out, make sure they're up to standard so you can sleep easy knowing your heroes are always ready for action. Remember, a working smoke alarm isn't just the law, it's also the smart thing to do. Let's keep our homes safe and sound. After all, even superheroes need to keep their skills sharp.